In today's video, I'm going to teach you to speed up audio without changing pitch in CapCut. This is perfect when you want your audio to move faster for pacing, but still sound natural and clear without that chipmunk effect. Start by opening CapCut and loading your project. Bring in the video and the specific audio you want to speed up. Your audio might be part of the video clip or a separate track you imported. Either way, make sure it's visible on the timeline so you can select it easily. If you're working with multiple clips, zoom in on the timeline a bit to make selecting the right audio clip simpler and more precise. Next, tap on the audio in your project to highlight it. You'll see editing options appear. Look for the option labeled Speed and tap it. This opens the speed controls for the selected audio. Here you'll find a slider or preset multipliers. Increasing the speed will make the audio play faster, while the waveform may appear shorter on the timeline, which is a good visual cue that it's working. Now, adjust the audio speed to your preference. Try small incremental changes first, like 1.25x or 1.5x, especially for dialogue, so clarity remains intact. For music or sound effects, you can often push it a bit more, depending on your creative goal. As you adjust, play it back and listen closely. Headphones can help you catch any unwanted artifacts, like stutters or harshness, that might appear at higher speeds. Before you confirm your changes, make sure the option called Change Audio Pitch is not selected. Leaving this option unchecked maintains the original pitch of the voice or music, even as the speed increases. That way, voices won't sound high and squeaky, and instruments will stay true to their original tone. If you notice your audio sounding unnaturally high or low, double-check that this option is still off. Take a moment to preview the section a few times. Consider how the faster audio sits with the visuals and the overall rhythm of your edit. If it feels rushed, dial the speed back slightly. If it still drags, nudge it up a bit. The goal is to find that sweet spot where the energy improves without sacrificing intelligibility or tone. And that's all you need to do. Open CapCut, import your media, select the audio, tap speed, set your preferred speed, and keep Change Audio Pitch unticked to preserve the natural sound. With these simple adjustments, you'll get a faster, cleaner performance that still sounds like it should.